Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you separate the gold from the glitter. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies. That's right, folks. We're comparing the Thermaltake Toughpower GX2 600W and the CORSAIR RM650. Why? Because you deserve to know what's powering your gaming rig. And no, it's not just a hamster on a wheel. First up, let's talk about everyone's favorite subject, money. The Toughpower GX2 comes in at a wallet-friendly $69, which reviewers appreciate as a great value for a power supply with a gold efficiency rating. Meanwhile, the CORSAIR RM650 struts in at $89. Reviewers note that while it's pricier, the build quality and modular design justify the extra cost. So which one's the better deal? While the Toughpower GX2 is praised for being budget-friendly, the CORSAIR RM650 is recognized for its quality and durability. Next, we've got efficiency. The Toughpower GX2 proudly boasts an 80+ gold efficiency rating, delivering up to 90% efficiency. Reviewers highlight its reliability and good performance in budget builds. On the flip side, the CORSAIR RM650 also flaunts an 80+ gold certification and even goes further with a cybernetics platinum certification. Reviewers rave about its stable performance and quiet operation, making it a top choice for high-performance systems. So both are efficient, but CORSAIR gets extra brownie points for being a little more prestigious. Now, let's talk modularity. The Toughpower GX2 is a non-modular PSU, which means you get all the cables, whether you need them or not. Some reviewers appreciate this simplicity, especially for customer builds. On the other hand, the CORSAIR RM650 is fully modular. Reviewers love that you only connect the cables you need, making it easier for cable management and creating a cleaner build. So if you're all about that tidy setup, the CORSAIR is the clear winner. Let's move on to noise levels. The Toughpower GX2 features a 120mm fan designed for ultra-quiet operation. But some reviewers mention it can sound a bit loud under load. In contrast, the CORSAIR RM650 is also equipped with a 120mm rifle-bearing fan, specifically designed to keep the noise down. Reviewers note that it operates quietly, even under load, making it a preferred choice for those who value a silent gaming experience. So if you want peace and quiet, the CORSAIR has the edge. In summary, the Thermaltake Toughpower GX2 is recognized for its affordability and decent performance, making it a solid option for budget builds. Reviewers highlight its good value, but note its non-modular design as a drawback. On the other hand, the CORSAIR RM650 receives high marks for its quality, modularity, and quiet operation, making it a favorite among gamers looking for reliability and efficiency. Both products have their strengths, catering to different needs and preferences. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember, when it comes to buying, always choose wisely, because your wallet deserves it. Let us know in the comments which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.